Howdy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and test out a pair of rear mudguards I bought on AliExpress, right on my bike. Let's get started. Let's start unboxing them. Here they are. These are the two fenders. They are made of sturdy black plastic. As you can see, they use two different designs for attaching them to the bike saddle. More or less, they are 33 centimeters or 13 inches long and 10 centimeters or 4 inches wide. At first glance, they seem well made, sturdy, flexible, and built to last. Now let's give them a try on the bike. Not bad. Here's the first one installed. It's not very long on the rear wheel, but I like it a lot. Looks great. Let's try the second one. This one seems a bit harder to mount under the saddle. Still not bad, and probably slightly longer. And here's number 2 installed. It looks just as good as number 1 to me. Overall, they're both handy, but I think I prefer the first one because it's quicker and easier to mount on the bike. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments here below. Considering the very low price and how easy they are to carry and install, I think these simple fenders are super handy for any kind of cyclist. I definitely recommend them. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and see you soon on the next one. Thanks for watching.